Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT. So first of all, what you'll need to do is you will need to head over to openai.com. Once you're on here, you can then click on try right here where it says introducing ChatGPT research release. Go ahead, click on try, and then you will need to create an account. And then once you've created an account, you'll be brought to this page right here. And essentially what it is it's kind of like a Google search engine. So you can go ahead, you can ask them, any question that you like, and then you will get a kind of human-like response. And I think this is why it's blown up recently, because, the responses are kind of, like human-like. It's like they're typing back to you. So let's just ask them a question real quick. So we will say something like, when was YouTube launched? Just something really simple. And then obviously what you will get is obviously a response from ChatGPT. I did one earlier on, so who built the pyramids? This is what I got, and you can obviously go ahead, do what you want, and that's pretty much it. That's all there is to ChatGPT, guys. It's really simple, really easy to use. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. And without further ado, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.